Hello everyone. So this I want to show you how you can plug your ewedu, how you can plug your ewedu with a basket. Just take a stick and put it inside the hole like this, and you bring it out this way. See, that's it. Very easy. You put it this way, bring it out the other way, and that's it. You plug out your ewedu. So I want to make ewedu today. So this is how I plug my ewedu. Very easy. You don't have to start plugging it one by one. Just put it inside the hole of your basket, and then you bring it out like this, and that's all. It's done. Okay.